the snow is upon us, right? We're now in the season where we're gonna be driving in a whole lot more of this snow, and you gotta be prepared for more slicker roads, right? Finding a nice little groove that you could put your vehicle in. But the most important thing is your awareness to what everybody else is doing. Wintertime really exposes who know how to really maneuver that vehicle and who just out here Mario Karting. So wintertime, make sure that you're slowing a little bit earlier as you are approaching these different intersections, right? Don't be taking off too fast. Lightly tap on that gas just in case you don't have clean pavement up underneath you. You give yourself time not to spin out and stuff like that. But overall, folks, make sure that car is, you know, you're maintaining it, right? You don't want to get out here and your heat ain't working, or your windshield wipers ain't working, defrosted, because it get a little foggy in here, right? You do all that talking, got the heat on and stuff. So stay ready, folks. Keep your distance away from other vehicles a little bit more, just in case you slide. And these tips right here, that's gonna keep your insurance premiums from going through the roof. I'm just trying to help y'all out. So hey, take it for what it's worth, folks. Hopefully y'all learn something from this. And if you ain't got snow, be thankful, right? It look nice and stuff, but driving, maneuvering in this stuff could be difficult. I'm out.